Niameka is NPP Edin Kugo the last election. Timifi say reorganization of the party. Dr. Baumia Koranda will invite other contestants for unity's sake. Namfi say important. See you never call any. But Oshe in your ma Suni Yana. Mifi say semi free more. Ebeboa Dr. Baumia no why because tension ne wom se ni pebia bo ho po se okasa na mo media for izumu ka ho yebekasa yem free program na se kra na all over the place and some will be all chiro you will be all twisted no easy if he say nipa me no mo nam no mentimi em protect you because ohwe ebidomo any appreciate by hook or crook I will say one candidate in Yadeneba. It is a uko baby crano be a show t-shirt na ekobruno. Emfa and kabumba intimeno for the sake of party and for the sake of unity. And I'm withdrawing. Namashe akolana ya wone sika ni. You see, we are taking politics too low because enye mimranti ekure no mu na mo afedi students. Sika just 1,000 cities a branch of the mass students and at least Raj security or don't buy but before Sebeko no credit member unt me abaso Ohen Casa or Kaye 2 places in here Utim say he's rare he means unity Udia say India was surprised because they name Namquaso ever year program ameba and a branch eco chair students omo ebeshi jamaho sa intolerance no ebino no say Eobakono yewo Baumia ladies I don't have a problem in this obiba na migrana minim bian ye kodidi from ebuakwa na ye call banners kodidi tie ba en be share crowd ni na amanfo organize students ni yes can ladies now I don't want to take the shine from Dr. Baumia because no kreni onona oye flag bearer to no kodas in SDH. I don't want to take the shine. Dimeno a one room nam case or moncourt nature and before ho you know students almost Jaman cry bo me de me fro mo me ma mu science o munya kra na a ginger o and ya we kama won't me spoke well pi e free ono a me nam kwa so ne friend say ya wo student no ba ko sikan na omo rushing to Sintraso Hospital. Nam so where then and say omo shi jama wie no. Me ame nyonko ba ko and o ma wo mu 1,000 cities. Or the 1,000 cities mana at least right security no the buy no. Omo hwim sika no free students in some. And only omo ye argument students so omfa omo sika ma wo. Nti nipa no this kind of ma can say no students no and am the ma what you say and enti omu yi mu 200 na students say omu do so chain sa 200 no the ama wo the omu ye he na omu ma one shot first omu wurem kra wo yi tuo chiro no say omu firi home ko just say they are so intolerant omu nipa krono we hwan o ye the so called security at least Raj Edumba no kreni yani ye ko around Bawumia security I know them TSC for more ye chechi ho ye din komo and ye it is only Kumasi and at least Raj eko fast our boys ya omo begu party ni masi
at least Raj no pacho or ye dear party
minimum I knew him from America oba wa big man wa security minim ye ko no nka ho e bedru Kumasi o ka ho. Now boys no omo very smart say they took the car number ye ko nyina ye hu sa Toyota Haze no e bedru Kumasi nkwa ne hu security fogum na me ni honti no beginning of the scene crash just no more prevent students no not to sink for me near no so resist wo no I was not there am ko yitio e de kire wo and like you like we have the bullet boys no is smart omo fa bi pallet no the call police emo muhuni na ne enti a me withdraw no say enuanom na edi machi no a omo share me vision no my credit and the students in Pony. Then ye a bedroom samrantians. Timothy said we have to stay away and let Dr. Baumia continue on his tour. Visa ebeboa. What you say? But we will also regroup ourselves in appropriate time. Bibi also to me a boa party. Bibi I was saying to enhance my chances here. And I'm taking this opportunity to tell you that I'm going to contest. And I'll contest until they should be ready. Whatever they want to do, nobody can stop me from contesting. Party build their check. New entrance. I will name the history. I'm glad to say a general secretary say this time by May or the people that have sacrificed why NPP came to power and everything. Until immediate men can't for the sake of unity. Me Jina preaching unity and yet and I'm a preaching violence. No. Only himself a normal star and can retaliate easily. Because we know the guy and can retaliate. But or retaliate and a Agyapong you say, hey, as someone a bronye, Minyon Copano, they will see good many mercy away. I mean, who say group will be the Dr. Baumiachia on Pesame Casa. No more twisting. I've seen a publication. Canadian Japan backs again. Jack, and you may be a we are more around. Obi Kasa and a my lose election. Kasa Omukawo primaries. I'm saying Nipa Baku dear no. Nipa Baku dear Obi Auntie near Canadian Japan. A respond to young one yet. Mestre NPP 4. So one-sided politics. I believe, sir, if we are not united, what the Jesus Christ Bakura NPP can win. And the history will tell you from 1979 between Pauli and Vitosu. Into Omwa, Emrantia Bemo so aggressive. Yes, I read the history. I'm glad, say, General Secretary say, or the same you man, a betchere in Namu. Na patapa, seven near Yem Pinania near the Atum chain. Near to me, we need 2028.